The determinants of matrices are also write like this: determinants of A, determinants of B, determinants of matrix C, or delta A, delta B, like this. Then what about the determinants of second order matrix? In second order matrix, the product of secondary diagonal 2 and 5, 2 into 5 is deducted. ಈ 2 into 5 ನ principal diagonal ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. The product of principal diagonal is 1 and 6. Here in matrix A, the principal diagonal is 1 and 6. That is, the product of principal diagonal is 1 into 6. That is, 1 into 6 equals 6. See, determinants of A. The determinants of A is written like this: determinants of A equal 1 into 6. This is principal diagonal. That is 1 and 6. 1 into 6 minus the secondary diagonal 2 and 5. The product of secondary diagonal is 2 into 5. This should be subtracted like this. The 1 into 6 is equals to 6 minus 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 5 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? That is product of secondary diagonal. Secondary diagonal is 2 and 5. 1 into 6 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? 1 into 6. That is principal diagonal. Principal diagonal. First principal diagonal ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 1 into 6 minus symbol ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Then secondary diagonal ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 2 into 5. Secondary diagonal is 2 into 5. 2 into 5. Then equation ನ clear ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then simplify this equation. That is 1 into 6 equals 6 minus 2 into 5 is 10. Then 6 minus 10 equals minus 4. Therefore, determinants of A equals minus 4. This determinants is concentrates on square matrix. Square matrix ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ number of rows and columns equal ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. See here in a matrix A, number of rows is 2. That is 1, 2, 5, 6. There are 2 rows and 2 columns. That is 1, 5 and 2, 6. In square matrix, the determinants are going to deals. The determinants are going to deals in 3 order of matrix. There are 3 order of matrix to deals with determinants. Let's see one by one. First one, determinants of first order matrix. Determinants of first order matrix. Matrix contains 1 row and 1 column is known as the matrix of first order. ಯಾವ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸು 1 row 1 column, that is digit, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು digit. See here, for example, matrix A equals minus 3. Here there is 1 column and 1 row, that is minus 3. Then in matrix B, that is number of matrix is only 7. Here only 1 column and 1 row. Like that, matrix C. In matrix C, 1 column 1 row, that is minus 4. This type of matrix is called first order matrix. This is called first order matrix. Then what about determinants of first order matrix? The determinants of first order matrix is the element of the matrix itself. What is the element of matrix A? That is minus 3. Minus 3 itself a determinant of matrix. See here, for example, if A equals minus 3, if matrix A equals minus 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 1 and number of column is also 1. The element of matrix A is minus 3. ಈ -3ನೇ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ನ ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ತರ 2 ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ತರ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಈ ತರ 2 ಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿ we write determinant of matrix B or delta A or delta B, like this. Understand? So here there is only one column and one row. The this is called single order matrix or first order matrix. Here in case of first order matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ. Let's see one more example, that is matrix B. Here the number of rows is 2, the number of columns are 2. Here the principal diagonal is -3 and -9. The product of principal diagonal is -3 into -9. Then subtract the secondary diagonal by principal diagonal. The secondary diagonal here is 5 and 7. 5 and 7 is the secondary diagonal. -3 and -9 is the principal diagonal. Subtract the secondary diagonal by principal diagonal. That is -3 into -9 minus 5 into 7. The determinants of matrix B write like this: -3 into -9 minus 5 into 7. How can you get -3 and -9? That is principal diagonal. -3 into -9. Then 5 into 7 ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಇದು secondary diagonal 5 and 7. 5 into 7. Then ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕಳಿಬೇಕು. Subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. -3 into -9 is +27. Minus into minus plus 27. Minus 5 into 7. Minus 5 into 7, that is 35. Minus 3 into -9, that is +27. Minus 5 into 7, 35. Therefore 27 minus 35 equals -8. Then determinants of matrix B equals -8. Hi one and all. We already know the meaning of matrix and operations of matrices and application of matrices. Let us know the one of the concept of matrices, that is determinants of matrix. The determinants of matrix is a square matrix is a number associated with the square matrix. The numbers may be positive or negative or 0. The numbers of matrices like this. See, matrix A. The numbers of matrix A are 1, 2, 5, 6. Like that, in matrix B, the numbers of matrices is -3, 5, 7, 9. This determinants of matrices is also called as or denoted by determinants of matrix A, that is DETA or delta. Read as determinant of matrix. The next one is determinants of the second order matrix. The second order matrix is the matrix which contains 2 rows and 2 columns is called the matrix of the second order. ಯಾವ matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ number of rows 2 ಇರುತ್ತೋ and number of columns 2 ಇರುತ್ತೋ, that is called second order matrix. This is also a square matrix. The number of rows equals to, this is about first order of matrix going to deals with determinants.